Hi, in this video I am going to show you how to put together the free box envelope from Simply Crafty SVGs. So we only have two pieces to this file. We have a optional envelope liner, which is this piece, and then the envelope which is below that. There are two score lines that we need to fold on for the liner, and I folded them down first and then up. Since it's not double-sided paper, we need to fold it this way. Then we need to fold on all the score lines on the envelope piece. So I've already folded along most all the edges. It was just this edge I didn't fold. And then I'm just showing you how the rest of it folds. You want to make sure that you get nice crisp folds to make it easier to put together. So we'll have to glue this. You'll see it centers, but we need to get that folded portion of the liner aligned with the folded portion of the envelope. And if you do like our videos, I would appreciate a like, a thumbs up below, and or subscribe to our channel. We do appreciate it. So we're just going to add some light glue, and you could also use a just a tape adhesive to do this. I have a really thin paper, so I have to be careful. I need to line up the score. We need to center it in between the section and also align the fold areas, the actual folded portions of the liner to the folded portions in the envelope. So you want to do that really quick and then make sure it folds up and doesn't buckle as well as does not buckle when it's flat. So that's what I did really quick while my glue is drying. That's the benefit of using glue. You can have a little wiggle room, where with some of the double-sided adhesive, tape adhesive, you do not. So now we're going to glue these little side tabs, and this is for the bottom of the envelope only. So there's a little side tab there. We're just going to fold it in and align that other edge, side edge, to the tab fold, and the same on the other side. So you want to hold it a little while until it's dry and secure. It's just an extra thing. You don't really, this envelope is not suitable really for mailing per se. You don't want to put it in another package. This is more of a hand carry type thing, but it would be it is a great envelope for a really bulky A2 card with a lot of 3D embellishments or 3D flowers on the front, which is a little bit thicker than a regular envelope. So now we're just going to fold in those sides, and then we'll glue that bottom portion, and you can see how it's going to close here. So you can go ahead and add, when you fold it up, make sure you know where you can put the glue without it being seen. So I know that I can only go up a certain area. Or you could use double-sided. I would say double-sided tape, like score tape, would be a good application here, because you can't really apply pressure. So I'm kind of holding them in place until it's set. No, it wasn't set there. I'm just reaching in to make sure I can apply pressure in there. So this is not an envelope you'd make for everyday cards. You would make it for those special occasions where you have that really bulky card. I know some heartfelt, I think heartfelt memories or something like that. Anyways, there's some very bulky cards with the 3D embellishments, and sometimes there's a need for something like this. And then you could just use like either a big glue dot or something like that to close it. That's it. I hope you enjoyed this freebie. It's one that has been requested a couple times, and I thought I'd finally do it. Thank you for watching.